YouTube, what's the word? I know I've been slacking on the videos a little bit, but just chill on me, just chill on me. Today I got a tattoo appointment. I'm finishing up my left arm, so I'm just gonna have you guys tag along. I didn't ask my artist to record in the actual studio, so I don't think I'll do that. I don't want to have a camera in his face. I'll probably take out my phone just to show a couple of segments, the stencil, the actual process, and the final product. But other than that, you guys will just be tagging along on the drive over there. I gotta go to Long Island, it's about a 40-minute drive, so figured I'll just record. It's gonna be a nighttime POV. You know, New York, you know, now that it's winter, it gets dark at like 4 or 5 p.m., which is annoying, but we gotta deal with it. So I'll hit you guys back up when we're in the whip.
One pair of pants later.
Ladies and gents, we in the 540. We got a cool little 30 minutes to the spot. But it's a cool night tonight. It's not that cold actually. I thought it would have been a little colder, but it's nice out. Don't even got the heat on. You see the yellow ambient lighting. We chilling right now. Folks got their Christmas lights on already. Thanksgiving is Thursday, but they couldn't wait. They couldn't wait. Look up here too. They got that shit on too, for real. They even did the tree. I commend them, for real. God damn, that's the thing about back roads, bro. The amount of potholes and just deformations in the street just skyrockets. You gotta pull out some crazy maneuvers. And speaking of potholes, actually, if y'all remember, or if you see my video when my dad reacts to my new exhaust, I talked about a tire blowout story where I hit a crater, hit the craziest pothole, bust 2 of my tires, and I got all 4 new tires. What I didn't know was that one of the rims were actually cracked, because not too long ago I realized I was having like a slow leak, and it was one of the rims that hit that pothole. So I had to go get that fixed the other day. A smooth $100, but it is what it is. Hopefully it holds up. So far, no leak, which is nice. And that's why I have the PSI on my dash now, thanks to Beamer code. From that's where I saw it was a leak. But you coming out? Go on, sir. Oh my God, it's real dysfunctional over here. And we hit the light again. This is sickening. It's only 5 o'clock, so you know it's that time of the day. But yeah, man, got that rim crack situated. I think we're all good now. I didn't even bother and check to see how much a new rim would cost, because I already know my pockets would have had to been swole for that. But let's hop on this highway so we can get over there and get this tattoo situated. Yeah, I'm already knowing we about to be at this light for a minute. Hey, biker boy. You tripping? Now I gotta get back over to the left. Just turn, just turn, just turn. Go ahead, bro. Oh yeah, we all hitting that. Fuck it. Sometimes you just gotta bully your way, I guess. Come on, come on. Now we can throw that thing in Sport Plus. I gotta get over though. If you would let me. We good. A lot of traffic though. lot of cars on the road. Not much I can do here for real. But I should be able to hear the exhaust though. Shit, what's going on over there? Everybody being nosy or being safe? No, I'm gonna be nosy. I'm gonna look. See, look. It's lightened up a little bit. Oh, put the windows up. You see the left lane? This is how it's supposed to be. Oh, but we about to run into some stupid traffic. Did y'all see that? Where did all this red come from? What's going on? Nah, don't do that to me. Don't do that to me, bro. Oh yeah, this shit looks sickening, bro. Oh Lord. Yeah, it's clipped. I'm just praying it's not dead stop traffic though. Yep. To be expected. People going home. And I'm headed to Long Island too, so yeah. But yeah, man, I think we just gonna rock out to some tunes until this shit lighten up. I'll check back in with y'all in a bit, I guess. My God. Why me? What's up, fire about? Oh. Ooh, yeah, that's my shit right here. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like this shit is just getting worse. Like, this is crazy. Oh yeah, I know this one. Oh, hold on. Sing it with me. I pick up your clothes, I have them folded. Ooh. Guys, we're finally free. Holy shit. That took a year off my life. Every time I sit in traffic, it takes a year off my life. Thanks, BMW. About to finish up this sleeve today. Maybe I'll throw some pictures up. Sleeve has been a long time coming. My first tattoo was like 2 bands. One band on my bicep, another on my forearm. And when I got those, I hadn't really planned out what I wanted to do for my arm. I thought I was kind of just one and done with the tattoos, but I've been continuously getting more and more. Like most people, you get addicted. But those bands kind of limited how I positioned like other tattoos for like for a sleeve that kind of flows together. So all my future tattoos have kind of been like sectioned in between those bands, which I think makes it a little bit unique. I'll throw some pictures up, but on my shoulder I have a tattoo of like a motorcycle chain around the tachometer or the speedometer, and a spark plug in the middle. Then you have your band. Then I got a anime tattoo, Afro Samurai for those who know.
Freeze antenna, bitch. Okay. Mama told me never lose, cause baby, you a winner. I was lurking running. On the inside of my bicep, I
I have like a street sign, kind of like a shout out to Queens where I grew up at. And then on my forearm, I have like 2 chess pieces, the pawn and king, kind of looking at each other in the mirror, and it says it's me versus me. A little motivational tattoo there, but on the inside of my forearm now, I'm trying to complete. It'll be completed today. I'll show y'all at the end, finished product. I won't tell y'all what it is, but hopefully it comes out fire. Yes, see me. I'll kind of finish up my arm. I don't know if I'm gonna do any other body part. No, that's a lie. I'll probably do my chest, like my left pec, something that flows into the arm, and then I'll probably end there, honestly. I don't know if I want anything else after that. Hold up, let me stop talking. We in the spot, but I don't think I can park in there. I can barely see the lines on the ground. I'll keep it a buck with you. Oh, here we go. I'll see it a little bit. All right. We are here. He's in the building behind me. I'll talk to you again when I'm back in the car. Editing, we're back in the whip. Tattoo is done. Hope y'all enjoyed those few clips. I didn't record a lot because I just didn't want the phone in his face, just have him concentrate and whatnot, but we got it there pretty quick. Started a little after 6 and he was done before 8, so I'm really liking the piece. It looks crazy. As y'all can see, it's Spider-Man, Into the Spider-Verse, his Leap of Faith. We in the whip. Let me get y'all a little cold start. I don't think y'all seen the whip in a long time. She's looking good. We out here in Baldwin, Applebee's and shit. But that's gonna be the end of this video. Hope y'all enjoyed the little drive, the tattoo sesh. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Appreciate you. Safety.